If you watched my previous video, you probably remember the famous bank angle check landing. The pilot flying made a very aggressive turn towards the runway. The approach had already become unstable. The GPWS started announcing bank angle, and moments later, someone in the cockpit calmly called out, bank angle check.
Yeah, be careful. Don't worry.
Bank angle. Bank angle check. Bank angle. Sink rate. Slow up. Slow up. Sink rate. Sink rate.
Immediate cabin. Good. Come little more.
50. 40.
Okay.
30. 20. Sorry.
Safe to say, aviation fans still remember that clip. That was Tri-MG Intra-Asia Airlines flight GM 515, a Boeing 737-300SF freighter landing at Paro, Bhutan while carrying COVID-19 vaccines. Now, this explanation is based on the official RNAV approach chart used by pilots. The aircraft enters the valley at around 17,000 feet and immediately starts following the river instead of flying directly towards the runway. Unlike most airports, there is no long straight-in approach because the surrounding mountains make that impossible. As the aircraft descends, every turn is carefully planned to remain inside the valley while maintaining safe terrain clearance. One of the key fixes requires the aircraft to reach 16,000 feet before entering the narrowest section of the valley. From there, the crew continues making a series of gentle turns, following both the published procedure and the terrain. The approach also includes speed restrictions so the aircraft can safely negotiate each bend. Only in the final moments does runway 15 come into view. The aircraft make one last right-hand turn and lines up with the runway just seconds before touchdown. There is almost no straight final approach, which is exactly why only limited number of specially trained and certified pilots are authorized to operate into Paro. After watching the previous bank angle check video, this is what a perfectly stabilized Paro approach looks like.
Halfway.
1,000.
If you were getting on. Jack.
400,
Check.
300, 200, 100, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 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 retard.